To bring highly detailed artwork over to any hat, Supercolor headwear transfers are the definitive solution. For clean, retail quality cap-sized prints that wouldn't be possible with embroidery or screen printing, this is the one transfer to aim for. We'll be showing you how to prepare and apply Supercolor headwear transfers onto any standard hat. Preparing your transfer is as simple as providing HPN a vector graphic file of your art, whether in the AI, EPS, or PDF format. But if you don't have a vector file, you can instead send HPN an image file that's at least 300 dpi as a PNG or JPEG. If your art doesn't need a background, we recommend sending us a PNG of this image that's transparent. Once you've sent the art, it'll then be carefully processed through Supercolor to produce and send directly to you. As soon as you received your headwear transfer, it'll just be a matter of applying it to your hat. Turn on your heat press and set it to 8 to 12 seconds at 320 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure. If you're pressing your transfer onto a polyester hat, adjust your machine's temperature to 290 degrees Fahrenheit instead. Once your machine is heated up, mount your hat to the lower platen as flat as possible. Then pre-press it for 3 seconds to clear out any creases and moisture. Afterwards, simply place your headwear transfer where desired on your item. Cover it with protective sheet and press. Once your time reaches 0, open your machine to peel the headwear transfer hot from a corner with smooth, consistent motion. Then cover it again to press it for another 2 seconds. After you've pressed it a second time, your Supercolor headwear transfer is now a colorful and permanent part of your hat. You can learn about Supercolor headwear and more on our YouTube channel or at heatpressnation.com.